Dear students, detailed civil engineering courses like Manual Building Design, Stat Pro, ETAP, SAP, Revit, AutoCAD, Primavera, P6 are available at Civil Engineering Shravan online application app. So download the application from the Google Play Store now. Each course contains 50 plus high quality video contents and free PDFs and exercises, and online certification will be provided after completing the course. Course will be available at 67 to 70% discount now and valid up to 6 months. Download civil engineering application now from Google Play Store, or direct link is available at the description of this video. Try to utilize this offer.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. So in this video I will explain you the complete course which I was launched just now in our application Civil Engineering by Shravan application. So the complete Revit architectural software is live now in our application Civil Engineering Shravan application. You can download my application from the below description of this video. The link is available. You can download that my application from the link, or you can search Civil Engineering Shravan in Google Play Store, so that you will find my application. You can download that application. The course is under offer now. For the first 10 people that I am providing this particular course at 1499 rupees with 1 year validity, and for the second people I am providing this particular course at 1599 rupees with 10 months validity. And for the third people, I was already told you about this particular offer in the previous video. You can watch that video. For the third 10 people, I am providing this course at 1799 rupees with 8 months validity. For the rest of the people, the course will be of 6 months with 2000 rupees cost. Okay, so I was already recently launched that course. So approximately 6 members are already enrolled to that particular course, which is of 1 to 10 people. So you have only 4 slots left in the first 10 members. So utilize that particular offer. Thank you for watching this video. You can see the complete course details which is available in the previous video. So you can see the course which is of Revit architectural software and is available in Civil Engineering by Shravan application.